Okay, so I have another Juvia's Place order. This should be the brow products. I ordered the palette, the brow gel, pen, and the pencil. So, this is the brow gel, the brow pen, and the brow pencil, and then they sent this to me for free because I ordered a certain amount. And then the palette, which you can use for other things as well, I got. Okay, so here's the palette. These are multi-purpose, so you can use them for eyeshadow or anything else. Most Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes don't come with a mirror, and you get one in the brow palette. Here is this beautiful highlighter that I got for free. It's the baked highlighter. It is the Heroin Glow. And then here are the brow products. This is the brow pen, the brow pencil, and then the brow gel. I got them all in chocolate. Let me know if you want a review on these.